Modern businesses depend on technology. Email, file sharing, and even phone calls often rely on computer networks and internet access. When these systems fail, productivity stops. That's where skilled ICT support professionals come in. You are the troubleshooters, the problem solvers who keep businesses running smoothly. Good ICT support means more than just fixing problems. It's about understanding how technology impacts every aspect of a business. A good ICT technician becomes a trusted advisor, helping users to not only solve problems but to get the most out of their technology. This guide will equip you with the essential knowledge and practical skills to diagnose and fix common ICT problems. You'll learn how to approach issues systematically, identify root causes, and implement effective solutions. Every ICT technician needs a reliable set of tools. Some are physical, like a toolkit with screwdrivers and cable testers. Others are software-based, like diagnostic utilities and network monitoring applications. Here are some must-haves for your ICT toolkit: screwdriver set, for opening computer cases, replacing hardware; compressed air, clean dust from computers and components; cable tester, verify network and phone cable continuity; bootable USB drive; load diagnostic tools, recover data; network monitoring software; identify network bottlenecks, track usage; remote access software; troubleshoot problems remotely. Remember, a well-organized toolkit is a productive toolkit. Before you can fix a problem, you must understand it. Start by gathering information from the user. What are they experiencing? When did the problem start? Next, examine the system. Are there any error messages? Is anything obviously broken or disconnected? Don't jump to conclusions. Sometimes the most obvious answer is not the right one. Test your assumptions and gather evidence before making changes. Remember to document everything. This will help you track your progress and identify patterns in the future. Network problems are among the most common ICT issues. Slow internet speeds, dropped connections, and inability to access shared resources can all bring productivity to a halt. Here's a step-by-step approach to diagnosing network problems. Check the basics. Is the device connected to the network? Are the network cables securely plugged in? Verify network settings. Is the device's IP address configured correctly? Is the correct network name, SSID, and password being used? Ping test. Use the ping command to test connectivity to other devices on the network and to the internet. Check network hardware. Are the modem and router working properly? Try restarting them. Contact the ISP. If the problem persists, contact the internet service provider to check for outages or service issues. Section 5. Dealing with hardware headaches. Hardware failures can be frustrating, but with a systematic approach, you can often diagnose and fix the problem. Here are some common hardware issues and troubleshooting tips. Computer won't turn on? Check the power cord, surge protector, and power supply. No display on the monitor? Make sure the monitor is plugged in, turned on, and connected to the correct video port. Blue screen of death, or BSOD. This usually indicates a serious system error. Note the error code displayed and research it online for potential solutions. Overheating? Ensure proper ventilation and clean dust from fans and heat sinks. Hard drive failure? Listen for unusual noises from the hard drive. Backup data regularly to prevent data loss. If you suspect a hardware failure, it's often best to replace the faulty component. Section 6. Conquering software glitches. Software problems, from application crashes to operating system errors, can disrupt workflow and lead to lost data. Here's how to tackle common software issues. Application crashes. Try closing and reopening the application. Update to the latest version or reinstall the software. Operating system errors. Run system file checker tools to repair corrupted system files. Consider a system restore to a previous stable point. Virus or malware infection. Run a full system scan with a reputable antivirus software. Slow performance. Close unnecessary programs, run disk cleanup utilities, and check for resource-intensive applications. Remember to keep software updated to patch security vulnerabilities and improve stability. Section 7. Preventing future problems, proactive measures. The best way to deal with ICT problems is to prevent them from happening in the first place. Here are some proactive measures to keep systems running smoothly. Regular backups. Back up important data regularly to prevent data loss in case of hardware failure. Software updates. Keep operating systems, applications, and antivirus software up to date to patch security vulnerabilities. User education. Train users on basic ICT security practices such as creating strong passwords and avoiding suspicious links. Documentation. Document network configurations, software installations, and troubleshooting steps for future reference. Preventative maintenance. Schedule regular maintenance tasks, such as cleaning dust from computers, checking for hardware issues, and running system optimization tools. By taking a proactive approach, you can minimize downtime and ensure that ICT systems are reliable and secure. Section 8. Continuing your journey to ICT mastery. The world of ICT is constantly evolving, so continuous learning is essential. Stay current with the latest technologies, trends, and best practices. Certifications. Obtain industry-recognized certifications to validate your skills and advance your career. Online resources. Utilize online forums, tutorials, and communities to expand your knowledge and connect with other professionals. Hands-on experience. The more you work with different systems and solve real-world problems, the more proficient you will become. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth. Section 9. Key takeaways. Your quick guide to ICT support. Here are the key takeaways from this guide to help you diagnose and fix common ICT problems. Be prepared. Equip yourself with the right tools and knowledge. Stay calm and systematic. Approach problems logically and document your steps. Check the basics first. Don't overlook simple solutions. Isolate the issue. Determine whether the problem is hardware, software, or network related. Google is your friend. Don't be afraid to research error messages and troubleshooting tips online. Be proactive. Implement preventative measures to minimize future problems. Never stop learning. The ICT field is constantly evolving, so continuous learning is crucial. By following these guidelines and developing your troubleshooting skills, you can become a valuable asset to any organization and keep their technology running smoothly.